variable fields that we have. They act as the placeholders and they're hidden values where you do all the calculations, and yeah, you can link them to specific columns, specific outcomes, and they're using answer piping. You can also display their values. I also prepared a little graph for you to show you what it looks like. We will definitely go into the form editor to see how it actually happens, but I prepared this little graph explaining just a simple use case of what variable fields are doing and what they're like. So on the left side, as you can see, we have this kind of like a form where a person chooses the lamp that they want, the amount that they want, and the form should tell them what the total price is going to be. If we want this to happen, we need to use formula logic and variable fields. So in the form, we would ideally have 4 fields. Out of these 4 fields, 2 are variable fields, which are going to be hidden, so the users will not be able to see it. So, for example, if the first question is choose the lamp you want, this can be a single choice question or a drop down. They can choose, for example, bright lamp that costs 20 euros, $20. We are going to move this variable, this like amount, to the first variable field, which is going to be an integer field. This is going to collect all the prices, and it is going to be linked with formula logic. And for example, it can be like, if the option is first one, add 20 to this variable. And you can name this variable however you want, however it suits your case. And then another field that we will have is like, how many lamps do you want? And now for the form to actually do the calculation, we will need another variable field where we're going to put in the formula. So everything is going to happen there, and we're going to connect the dots together. So this is going to multiply the number, the amount to the number. So also one more thing. For this everything to work, we need to have field IDs. And field IDs are these unique IDs that you assign to every field. And this is going to help us with calculations and formulas as well. And yeah, for example, if we have for the fields number 4, which is going to be variable, which is going to calculate, if you want to showcase the value it's going to have in there, it's going to have the ID, which is going to be answer piped either in another field or the ending page. You can decide wherever you want, because you can answer pipe pretty much everywhere, aside from, for example, description or anywhere where the numbers were not yet written in. But yeah, you can display the outcome using the answer piping.